Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did this gel polish design with nail stamping. So I have this nail stamping kit that I got from Banggood.com, and let's just take a look at this packaging. It is adorable. So it does come with 5 nail stamping gel polishes, and the kit comes with this clear jelly stamper, and you also get a nail stamping plate, and it is sealed, and once I pull the film off, you can see its gorgeous filigree designs, and it comes with a nail scraper, you know, for the stamping. So these are nail stamping gel polishes, and you do get 5 full-size bottles. And the difference between this and regular gel polish is that this gel polish is super thick and pigmented, so it's perfect for nail stamping. So I am going to do a quick fill in. First, I'm using my e-file to remove all of my gel top coat. My nails are tinted pink because my hair is red now, so I just washed my hair. So after doing all of my filing and prepping, I'm just going to apply this nail prep dehydrator and No Lift Nails primer. And for this fill-in, I'm using LongHairPrettyNails Clear Acrylic, and I am just going to do a simple fill-in. I was really excited to try out this nail stamping kit from Banggood, but I noticed that my nails were growing out just a little bit. It has been about a week since I did this hand, and I do not like to polish my nails once they've grown out, because you can kind of see, like, you know, where the nail has grown out, and it just doesn't look good. So because I can do my own nails, I can just do my fill in whenever I feel like it. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm using the number 8 oval Kolinsky brush from Alpha. This is one of my favorites. You guys see me use this brush all the time, so I will leave a link down below along with a coupon code if you guys are interested. Alright, so this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with this Madam Glam white gel polish, and this is called Perfect White. So the reason why I use this white polish instead of the Banggood nail stamping white polish is because that nail stamping polish is super thick, and it's really not meant for like a full coverage, you know, polish over the nail. So I just needed a white polish that was, you know, easy to work with and to paint with. So that's why I'm using this one as my white base. So I apply that to my pinky fingernail, and I'm also doing a French tip using the gel polish. And this brought me back to like my high school days, because I used to do French tips with nail polish all of the time. I do take this Alpha gel brush, and I'm just going to clean this up to make that line extra crisp, and I just used the brush dipped in some acetone just to crispen that line up. And then I went ahead and cured that first layer of the white gel polish. So now I'm going in with the second coat, and I'm just being really careful to try to stay in the lines, but if I happen to go over, I do clean that up before I cure. So now I'm going in with this glitter gel polish from Madam Glam, and this is called Stardust. And this gel polish is so beautiful. It has ultra fine gold glitter in it, and it has holographic pieces in it as well. It is just so cute. So I went ahead and applied 2 coats of this gel polish to my ring fingernail and to my thumbnail, and of course curing after each coat. So now to the stamping, I'm just going to use this clear jelly stamper. I love that it's clear so I can see where I'm stamping. So back to that nail stamping gel polish. This was actually like my first time using gel polish to do stamping, because you normally just use a regular polish. But anyway, I decided to use this little design first. So I went ahead and applied the gel polish and scraped twice, and then I kind of picked it up on my stamper. So I don't really like it. So I'm using a piece of Scotch tape to clean off my nail stamper. And then I decided to use this different design here because it's just a little thicker. So I went ahead and applied gel polish to this design and scraped twice. And when you're picking up the stamp from the plate, you kind of want to roll the stamper so it gets onto the stamp in one piece. So once it's on there, it does have some, streaking from the gel polish. But that is okay, we'll clean that up. So I went ahead and just stamped that onto the nail, and you kind of want to apply a good amount of pressure, and when you're ready to take the stamper from your nail, you want to roll that as well to get the stamp to come off in one even layer. So I just once again took that gel brush and cleaned all of the areas that I didn't want the gel polish to be and then I went ahead and cured that. So now I'm going in with the Polish Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and I'm just going to apply this to all of the nails. And before I cure, I'm just going to apply some iridescent crystals. So this is what it looks like after all of the crystals are applied, and I'm just going to cure this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So once the nails have cooled down a bit, I'm just going to apply my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Just a very easy gel polish nail design. Nail stamping really gives you that edge because it looks like you drew this, but I could never draw anything like this on my nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will talk to you in my next one.